Hello Glammies, welcome back to the channel. It's Gigi. We're going to start with a pink set and then move into some art really quickly. There was a lot to this set, so I really did condense it down a lot. Just so it's not, this could have been a 40-minute video, but you know, my analytics do not show 40-minute videos are my friend right now, so we're going to keep it short. That seems to be the trend, and so I'm just going to show you a few of these, actually a couple of these clouds that I'm going to do, but on both of the nails that I do the clouds on, I take it all the way down to the bottom and I marble in a little bit of blue to make them look a little more stormy at the bottom, like a storm might be rolling in, right? You know how sometimes you got a cloudy day, but off in the distance, they really look angry. Well, these are more happy than angry, I guess, because they're blue. But, you know, it translates, I guess. It translates. I'm sorry about my voice. I do not know what happened just out of nowhere. My voice seems a little, right? So sorry about that. Once I get the clouds the way I want them, I'm going to pop that bad boy in the lamp. I like the little tails on the sides for some reason. It made me happy, so we're going with that. I'm going to come in with this deeper blue, really, really deep blue. And it's called, I have it sitting right here, it's called Magic Night. It's one of the DND Daisy line. And it comes with a polish, if I remember correctly. Yep, sure does. Comes with a plain polish when you buy it, so I think they might sell it on Amazon. I don't know if they have this color. It's number 480, but everything will be listed below as per usual. Now, one of those little curly cues I made, I don't like it. That one in the middle, I am going to remove it. It's not cute. I didn't show you doing that because it was just, you know, a crazy process. But I did take it out. I like the, I've seen a lot of people do the outline of the clouds and have it, you know, draw in a little bit to indicate the puffiness of the clouds, and I really like that look. Excuse me. So that's what we're doing on these, and it does make for a fun look. You could even chrome those. You would want to make sure you remove the sticky layer though on everything if you're going to chrome just the outlines, so don't forget that, because that can mess up your look and then you're like starting the nail over, and whew, that's frustrating, right? So now we're going to start some butterflies. There are a ton of butterflies as well on this, but we're going to keep it to one because, again, I just want... I want to do what the algorithm wants me to do, right? I also want to do what you want me to do, but I want more and more people to come and watch us and play with us and, you know, hang out with us. So if I don't play by the algorithm's rules, I don't know, it doesn't like you or something. I don't know. It's hard to know because honestly, I don't care about the algorithm. I care about just making pretty art, and I care about having fun with you guys, you know, down in the comment section or when we bump into each other on Instagram or what have you. That's the part I really, really love. I love doing the giveaways. I love just the social aspect of having the channel, right? That's one of my favorite parts of it. Having to try to figure out what YouTube then wants to, that is, I don't care about what YouTube wants. If I'm being honest. Sorry, YouTube, I love your platform, but you're out of control right now, you know? So, like, even as a viewer of YouTube, I feel frustrated with YouTube because I'm a very consistent watcher of certain things that I have to go find, or I'll forget about them because they haven't been shown to me on YouTube. And all of a sudden, days after a video's been posted, it'll pop up in my feed. And I'm like, well, why didn't I get this 3 days ago? I would have watched. And so I end up leaving YouTube to go watch other stuff because they aren't pushing to me the things that I like. And I feel like if that's happening to me, that's probably happening to you guys too, maybe even with my videos. So hit the notification bell, I guess, but you shouldn't have to jump through that hoop. And I don't have any notifications on personally because it's sort of my silent protest against that system. If you've subscribed to me, you should get my videos, period. Okay, so now what I'm doing, YouTube rant over. Welcome. Thank you for watching my TED Talk. What I'm doing now is making little psychedelic wings for the butterfly. We're just going to marble it in there, tiny dots. And if you don't feel comfortable doing it with your big brush from your polish, but these are little bottles, even though the brush is still the same size. They're just the little MEFA polishes. I'm trying to use those up, guys. I want them to get used up and well loved so I can get them out of my collection and open up room for something new. So I'm going to be using these a ton this spring and summer. Just I want to get them all done. So I'm just dotting it down. If you don't feel comfortable, like I was saying, put some on a little dish, grab it with your brush and make a little tiny dot. As you can see there, I had too much blue. I pulled some off and added a little bit of gold. And now on this one, I just made circles, right? And I think that came out pretty cute. There's a lot more to this that I wanted to show you guys, like me adding the blue and putting down the little butterflies, but the footage was really fuzzy, and so I skipped that because it doesn't look good, and nobody wants to watch that. I don't want to watch a fuzzy nail video, so I cut it out. And I apologize that there isn't more of the clouds and those little tiny butterflies that I trailed off the bigger ones. That other butterfly, there's a story all its own on that. If you want to know it, ask me in the comment section, I'll tell you. But this is the finished set. It's not so much a story as I tried something, it didn't work out. This is the finished set. I think they're super cute, but they're wild, right? A wild girl would want this set, so maybe me. I really love them. I love all the clouds, and I love the butterflies, and they feel happy to me. Guys, this is it. This is the end of the video. So we're going to see you next week. Or later at the end of this week. Sorry, end of this week. Bye.